What is good? What is good? What is good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay, Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the Opportunity Plug. I got my little ones with me here. We just finished up some haircuts. But I wanted to shoot a video really quick, guys, because I wanted to let you know that the system is still working. So if you see another screenshot pulling up here, that is payment proof that someone else has signed up for Easy One Up. Someone else has signed up for MyEcon, and they also set up their free system with MyIncomeclub. You're also going to see that there's payments from TCP as well, guys. So things are moving, and I wanted to share this video. I haven't been shooting a lot of videos lately here. I just, like I said, I've been so busy, but we're getting back to things and getting things back on track. Son, put your seatbelt on. Seatbelt's not on. Okay. So we're getting things back on track. And we're gonna do literally what we're intending to do, make more money, guys. I was just talking to a lot of my colleagues here, and again, we were talking about how much technology is changing. And, you know, I was even talking to my barber, and he was saying, you know, how he's been cutting hair so long, and he wants to look into, you know, doing something differently. And I told him, you know, everybody wants to do something. You know, he said he wants to actually spend more time, but, you know, he's at home, but he's constantly cutting hair at home. So, you know, everybody wants to be able to spend more time, but he said, you know what, I want to be able to make money, man, and still be able to spend time with my family while I'm out. So, you know, we talked about a lot of businesses. We talked about, you know, making money online, different things like that, guys. And, you know, he understood and sees that, hey, this is the direction now a lot of things are going. A lot of things are online now. A lot of jobs are being lost to online companies. So, you know, why not be online? I'm in the informational business. I'm in the information business. You know, I share information on how to make extra income online, guys, and I get paid for sharing information. We show you how we, you know, how we put this information out there, you know, via social media, via, you know, free ads, via paid ads. And when I talk about that, I mean, I can go very deep when we're speaking of, you know, free and paid ads, but that's something that most businesses do. You know, if you look at T-Mobile, if you look at AT&T, they're always marketing, you know, if they're sponsoring things, or if they have commercials, or if you see billboards, or, you know, Facebook ads or anything regarding those companies, because they're promoting their business, because they want people to come and do business with them or purchase their products, okay? So that is why we chose to be in the online space, guys. With this particular program system that I'm utilizing, it is a free marketing system that allows you to earn a residual income and instant income. You can set up your income streams as low as $20, guys. We have it as low as $20. So, you know, if you're serious about life, you're serious about changing your income, you definitely want to check this system out. You definitely want to click the link at the bottom as well, guys. There's a lot of things that we do as far as with this business. You're going to have access to 6- and 7-figure earners with their training. There's already training in the back office that's going to show you exactly how to do marketing. I'm going to also offer you some additional bonus training as well to help you out. So, guys, summer is around the corner. Kids are about to be out of school. I know that, you know, then back to school is right around the corner. Get going, you know, earn some extra income, so then that way you can purchase some of those, you know, back to school clothing, back to school items that they're going to need later. You know, Christmas is going to be here. Get yourself positioned so you can already know exactly what you're doing. You can actually purchase those items for Christmas. So we're going to help you. I'm just one text away. I'm one email away. Guys, reach out to me. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns. But I'm going to wrap this video on up. Until the next video, click that link, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button. Get going. It's your boy Jay. Peace.